Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my latest discovery. It is from a brand called Parfois. Parfois is a Portuguese brand designed by Manuela Medeiros in 1994. Her dream was to create exceptional and irresistible fashion accessories that is affordable to everyone. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So this is my first time to be able to purchase things in boxes and ribbons. So I'm very excited to do this unboxing. It's open. So now this is what I got. This is the first bag, white bag that I bought. First white bag in my collection. It is called the Parfois crossbody bag and bum bag. It can be used two ways. Let's see it very closely. So if you can see it very closely, look at the leather. It is a soft kind of leather, and here is the brand emblem in silver hardware. And let's see, before we open, let's see the tag. This is the tag. So this is what they are suggesting for you to use it for crossover bag or for a bum bag or belt bag. But I think this can also be used as a clutch, cute clutch. So let's see on the inside. The inside also has this silver hardware, and the material inside is a black leather. So it's just a black, but in this side it has this sort of fabric lining on this side. And then let's see, and the middle portion, it's got this beautiful silver hardware that looks very nice on a white colored bag. So since you can use it in two ways, so this is the strap for the sling and another strap for, I think this is for the belt strap. Let's see. So they have more styrofoam. So inside we have this one leather pocket with a engraved Parfois logo. It has this tag inside. I can't really show you very well about the tag. Sorry about that. So it's just a plain black inside with a fabric interior lining. So it has a tab here. So it's just a simple bag. That's why I love it, and I chose this one because of its simplicity. And on the back is where you can put the the belt. So now let's try to remove this and see how it looks like when we place these straps. The one. Okay. So here is the sling. So if we place the sling, this is how it looks like. This is the silver hook. I'm looking for their brand on the hook. There's no brand. I thought I saw a brand in one of these last time. Maybe on the other one. So just place it real quick. So on one side, and then on the other side, let's remove the tag. So, and see how this would look like with this beautiful, so it is adjustable sling. And let's place this strap for the belt. If you want to carry it as a belt bag or a bum bag as well. So this also made me buy this one is because of this functionality. It's really beautiful. This idea is really nice, and so if you want to carry it like a sling bag, so you can do this. And but if you want to use it as a belt bag, then you should place this belt on your waist, hips or waist, whichever. This can also be used as chest bag, like a funny pack, front pack bag. It is also very convenient to use, so it is very close to your body. So I really love this bag, and I'm really happy that I was able to get it at a mid-year sale in their online, not online, on their physical store in Gateway, Cubao. I really am loving this bag because of its multi-function, multi-uses. I think you can use this as a plain clutch with, if you removed this sling and this belt, just a plain clutch. You can also place another strap, the strap, a chain strap, to make it an evening bag. And so if you use this one, it's more like a very simple leather sling, so as a sling crossbody bag for everyday use, or if you use only this belt, so you can use it also as a belt bag or a bum bag. You can also use this as a front pack or the front chest bag. So you can use this so many ways if you want to. So I'm really thinking that this bag has many talents like we all do. Talent doesn't stop at the evident talents like good in singing, good in dancing, in drawing, in acting. Being good in math is also a talent. Being know how to budget your money wisely is another talent. To learn how to recycle things is another talent. To cook some good food is also a talent. So we have to learn, search for these talents and enhance them and share them with others. So I would like to thank the salesperson, very nice salesperson in Parfois in Gateway Mall, and her name is Miss Ayan. Thank you, Miss Ayan, for assisting me. Hope you're watching, and I hope to buy again some beautiful bags there on the next sale. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank God for the blessings.